Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we'll be talking about lab 20, which is implement access management for the applications. So coming to the lab scenario, your organization requires that only specific users or groups have access to the enterprise applications. So you must assign a specific users to these applications. So initially we'll be creating an enterprise app, and then we'll be giving access to that particular app and see how it works. So I'll be keeping the relevant videos in the description for you to watch. I hope you like it. Let's go ahead and start. So coming to the first one, so we have to create the enterprise application. So let's click Azure Active Directory, because in this we'll be finding the enterprise application section, which is under manage. So you can see under manage we have various sections in which we have enterprise applications. So click that. So I think we have created this before for DDoS attacks. So this is the one that we have created previously, the breaking point cloud, which is related to the DDoS. So yeah, so right now we'll be going ahead and creating another application, Github, according to the docs. So let's go back here, and here you can see there is an option called new application. Click that, and here we have various applications in which you have to select one of the enterprise applications. So you can read about it. So you can see the Azure app gallery is catalog of thousands of apps that makes it easy to deploy and configure single sign-on and automated user provisioning. When deploying an app from the app gallery, you leverage pre-built templates to connect your users more securely to these applications. Browse or create your own applications here. If you are wanting to publish an application you have developed into the Azure AD gallery for your organization, discuss and use, you can file a request using the process described here. So let's go ahead and select one. So you have to have an idea what is Azure App Gallery and so on. You'll be getting a few questions related to that when you are writing some examinations related to Azure. So let's go ahead and search for an application. So you can see we have cloud platforms, we have on-premises, we have featured applications and so on. So in this case I'll be searching for GitHub according to the docs. So let's search for GitHub. So we have got a GitHub applications. So in this we'll be selecting GitHub Enterprise Cloud. So let's click that, and you can see the name of this application, who is the publisher and so on, the related information. So the only thing that you have to do is just create it. So this is how you can create the enterprise applications. So this is the task one that we have performed, and coming to the task 2, we'll be assigning users to this particular app, and we'll be seeing that in the next video. So coming to this video, I hope you guys have understood the concept of this video. If you have liked the video, please click the like button below, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and please share the video. Thanks everyone. Let's wait for this, and once it is done, we'll be talking about task 2 in the next video. Thanks everyone.